Hi, I'm Maddie's daddy, and you're watching Maddie's Magical World.
Come on, let's go play. Hi, subscribers.
Hello, subscribers. Welcome back to Maddie's Magical World. Now, today, Madison wants to show you guys her new toy.
And a vacuum.
It is a toy vacuum.
And I really want it.
She really wanted it, so I said, okay, let's get it for you. So, this is what it looks like. Inside is, let's bring it closer. Let's see if, so it says here, try me. So I'm assuming this button right here activates something.
You press this button and you will vacuum.
You press the button and it vacuums?
Yep.
I have an idea. Let's take off this thing here.
That?
Yeah, pull it out. Now press the button. Whoa! Look at that, guys. That is cool. I think it might stop when it's not being used. Maybe.
Maybe I can do it.
Let me show you guys. It also comes with a dust buster that is attached to the vacuum right now. So let's show them quickly. So here's what it is.
It lights up.
Yeah, it lights up. It's a 2-piece vacuum set. Again, it comes with. Yeah, oh, that's cool, eh? Look at that. It comes with a little dust buster. Welcome back, subscribers. So this is Maddie's vacuum. This is what it does. Look at the little tornado in there.
This is my vacuum. It is a tornado inside.
It is a tornado. Well, Maddie, do you want to show your subscribers the little dust buster?
Yeah.
Show them the little one. So this is what came with it. Let's show them what it does. You want to turn it on?
Okay.
Let's show them the light, the cool light. What? This is so cool. That is cool. That's what it is, folks. A little dust buster and the little vacuum. Dustbuster and vacuum. Well, folks, that's the end of our chapter for this video. And, well, we're gonna jump on the next video and we're gonna see you very soon. So, see you guys later and
Make sure